Good morning friends, welcome to Parnika's Tutorials YouTube channel. In this video, I want to discuss one of the GATE previous question related to postfix expression which came in the year 2015. First let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. The result evaluating the postfix expression, they have given a postfix expression consists of values 10, 5, addition operator, 60, 6 division, multiplication 8 and subtraction. After evaluating this postfix expression, whatever the value we are getting, that they are asking. They have given 4 options. We need to solve this postfix expression and then we need to find the right answer. Now what is a postfix expression? A mathematical expression can be represented in 3 forms. One is the infix and then prefix notation and then we have postfix. Suppose if I want to write a plus b, if infix it will be a plus b, meaning is that you have the operand, operator and operand. Because whenever we want to perform any binary operation, we need 2 operands. So we have an operand, operator and then operand. Whereas prefix, the operator will come first, then the 2 operands will come, which is a and b. So meaning is that if you write prefix means the operator addition a and b, which is nothing but a plus b only. So postfix means you will have the 2 operands, then you will have the operator. So this is the postfix representation, this is the prefix and this is the infix representation. Based on the position of the operator, we have infix, prefix and postfix notation. So now they have given the postfix expression, so which is nothing but you will have 2 operands, then you have an operator, so which is nothing but a plus b. Okay. So now with this introduction, let me simplify this postfix expression. Okay. Now they have given, let me write here so that you will also understand. 10, 5 addition, 60, 6 division they have given, multiplication 8 subtraction they have given. Now this is in the form of a, b plus. Am I right or wrong? So if I consider that one, which is nothing but a plus b, so I can write it as 10 plus 5. If I perform 10 plus 5, I will get 15. Am I right or wrong? Now again you consider here, this is in the form of a, b and division, so which is nothing but a by b, so which is nothing but 60 by 6. 60 by 6 is nothing but what? 10. So after simplifying this 10, 5 addition, you got 15, 66 division, you got 10, and then you have the multiplication 8 and subtraction you have. Now again this is in the form of a, b multiplication. So again this is a postfix expression, so you can simplify it as 15 into 10, which is equal to 150. So you got 150 and then 8, then subtraction. Again this is in the form of a, b subtraction. So you can perform 150 minus 8, which is equal to 152. So without using the stack, we have simplified this postfix expression and we got the value as 152. Is it clear? 142 we got, which is an option C. Now the same postfix expression we can simplify using the stack also. Let me discuss the how to evaluate this postfix expression using the stack also. Okay, if it is a very big postfix expression, lot of students will be confused. So even you can solve using the stack. Now whenever you have a stack, you need to perform 2 operations. One is the push and the pop. What is meant by push? Inserting the element inside the stack, we will call it as a push. Deleting the element from the stack is called as pop. What kind of operation the stack will do? It is last in first out. So whatever the element was inserted at last will come first. So meaning is that whatever the element which is locating at the top will be popped first. Okay. Now remember one thing, whenever you find a operand, because we will scan the input from left to right, so first we will scan the 10, which is an operand. So whenever you are scanning the operand, you push it into the stack. Is it clear? Whenever you find a operand, push it into the stack. Now other than operand, what you will find in an expression? You will find an operator. If you find an operator, you pop the top two elements from the stack. Okay, you pop the top two elements from the stack and then perform the operation between them. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? So with this introduction about the stack and the postfix expression, let me simplify this expression using the stack. Okay, you have a 10 which is an operand, so you will push it into the stack. And then you have 5 again which is an operand, you will push it into the stack. Now when you are scanning, you got the operator which is an addition. So what you need to do? You need to pop the two elements from the stack, then you have to write it like this, 10 and 5, perform the addition, which is equal to 15. After performing the operation, because you are popping the two elements and you are performing the operation, the result again is an operand. That result again you need to push it into the stack. Okay, so you have performed the pop operation, the top two elements, and then you perform the operation. Whatever the result you got, the result you need to push it into the stack. So you will get the value 15 here. Okay, are you able to understand? Now the addition we have done. Now when we are scanning, we got the 60, which is an operand, so you push it. Then you got the 6, push it into the stack. Now you got the division. If it is a division, what you need to do? As it is an operator, you need to pop the top two elements from the stack, which is 6 and 60. You need to represent like this and perform the division. What is the value you will get? You will get the value 10. So you pop these two elements from the stack and push the result, which is 10. Okay, are you able to understand it or not? Now up to here we are done. Now we are scanning and we got the again operator, which is multiplication. So what we need to do? We need to pop these two elements. If I pop it, the stack will be empty and we have 15 and 10. We need to perform the multiplication. So we will get 150. That result I need to push it into the stack. And then I scanned, I got an operand which is 8, so I need to push it into the stack. Now again I scanned, I got the operator which is a subtraction. So if I need to perform the subtraction, what I need to do? I need to perform the pop of top two elements, which is 8 and 150. If I perform the subtraction, I will get the result 142. So whether we have evaluated this postfix expression without stack or with stack, we got the value which is 142. So this question, the right answer is option C. I hope you have understood. If the expression is very big, you can use the stack to avoid the confusion. If the expression is very simple, you can directly do whatever the way I have done in the first way, so that you can do it in very less time. Because in a GATE exam or any competitive exam, solving the question is not an important. Solving the question in less time is very important. I hope with this explanation you have understood how to evaluate this postfix expression. If you still have any doubts related to this question or related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will always there to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.